Arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is an ordered set of numbers that have a common difference between each consecutive term. It is also known as an arithmetic progression. How to find the common difference? Common difference is between the consecutive terms. 3 and 9 are consecutive terms. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 21 minus 15 equals 6. And 27 minus 21 equals 6. So their common difference is 6. How to find the next number in the sequence? We find the next number in the sequence by adding or subtracting a constant term. What is the next term? So, pag nakuha na natin yung common difference, tulad ng example na to, ang common difference nila ay 6. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang pattern niya ay adding 6 in between the numbers. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 6, 27, and plus 6 is equal to 33. We can also use a formula in finding the next number in the sequence. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d, where a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. For example, find the a sub 6 or the sixth term by using the formula. So we have here the given a1 is 3, the number of terms is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the common difference is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. So we're going to find the sixth term or the a sub 6. Plug in these values in this formula. So we have a1 is 3, n is 6, and the common difference is 6. If we solve this, a sub 6 is equal to 33. So the answer is 33. How to determine the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So these are the formulas of arithmetic series. So these are the formulas of arithmetic series. Where a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the nth term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Pili ka na lang dito sa dalawa kung ano yung mas angkop gamitin sa pag-solve ng arithmetic series. Integers from 1 to 50. So, analyze natin yung mga given datas. So, first and last term mo ay given. So, ito yung a1, which is 1, and last term is 50. So, a sub 50 is 50. Number of terms from 1 to 50. Number of terms mo ay 50. Ang common difference, what is next sa 1? 2, then 3, 4, and so on. So, ang common difference nila ay 1 kasi 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. Then, isubstitute natin ang mga values na to sa formula na ito. A sub n is equal to n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, the number of terms is 50. Ang first term ay 1. Ang last term ay 50. Solving for s sub 50 is equal to 1,275. Add integers from 1 to 100. So, yung mga add integers, yan yung mga 1, 3, 5, 7, hanggang 99. Kasi yung 100, even numbers na siya. So, hanggang 99 lang siya. So, ang A1 mo or yung first term ay 1 at ang last term mo or yung A sub 50 mo ay 99. Number of terms is 50. Kasi may 50 na add integers lang from 1 to 100. Common difference is 2. Kasi meron siyang interval na 2. So, common difference niya, 3 minus 1, 2. So, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. And so on. So, ang common difference ay 2. So, i-plug in natin ang mga values na to sa formula na to. So, number of terms, 50. A1 is 1. And AN or the last term is 99. So, pag sinolve natin yung S sa 50, S sa 50 equals 2,500. So, the answer is 2,500. Even integers between 1 to 101. Even integers are divisible by 2. So, mag-start siya sa 2, 4, 6, 8, and the last term is 100. Yung 1 and 101 ay mga odd numbers. So, hindi sila kasama sa even integers. So, ang first term mo is 2. Ang last term mo ay 100. Ang number of terms is 50 kasi may interval siya na 2. Ang common difference mo ay 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8, and so on. Then, plug these values or plug in these values in this formula. Number of terms is 50. A1 is 2. And the last term is 100. Solving for S sub 50 equals 2,550. And the answer is 2,550. First 25 terms from arithmetic sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. So these are the given. First term is 4, or the A sub 1 is 4. Number of terms is 25, and the common difference, 9 minus 4 equals 5. So, plug in this value in this formula. So, number of terms, n is 25. 2 times the first term, a sub 1 is 4. Number of terms, and the difference is 5. So, to solve for s sub 25 is equal to 1,600. Multiples of 3 from 15 to 45. So, pag multiples of 3, yan yung nag-a-add ka ng 3. 3 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15. Pero dito, from 15 to 45. So, ang starting mo ay 15. Ito yung a sub 1. So, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 21, hanggang 45. So, given ang a sub 1 mo, which is 15, at ang last term mo ay 45. Common difference, 18 minus 15 is 3. So, dito, unknown yung number of terms. So, pwede mo siyang makuha ng mano-mano, katulad nito. 11 terms siya. Pwede rin dito sa formula na to. So, ang last term mo ay 45. First term is 15. And common difference is 3. To solve for n is equal to 11. So, pwede mo na makuha yung sum. Substitute mo na yung mga values neto dito sa formula. So, number of terms is 11. A sub 1 is 15 at ang last term mo ay 45. Solving for S sub 11 is equal to 330.